Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Expo Updates for over-the-air releases. Easy tutorial step-by-step clearly. To register with Expo Updates for over-the-air releases, start by ensuring you have Node.js installed on your machine. Open your terminal or command prompt. Create a new project or navigate to your existing Expo project directory. If you haven't initialized your Expo project yet, run the command expo init my project and follow the prompts. Once inside your project directory, install the Expo Updates package by running expo install Expo Updates. After the installation completes, open your project's app.json file. Locate the Expo object within the JSON structure. Add a new entry for updates. Within the Updates object, add the following properties: fallback to cache timeout and URL. Set fallback to cache timeout to a sensible value, such as 30,000 for 30 seconds. For the URL, set it to the Expo Updates server URL, formatted as https://u.expo.dev/your. Replace your _project_ID with your actual Expo project ID. Next, you need to configure the build. Run Expo Publish in your terminal to create the over-the-air update. Once the publishing is successful, your project will be registered for over-the-air updates. To test the updates, make a change in your project and run Expo Publish again. Your app should now reflect the changes without needing a full rebuild. This process allows you to easily manage your application updates. Now you are ready to deliver updates to your users over the air effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.